So the section is now fully welded, inner and outer sections, and the spring hanger welded in place as well. So I've managed to maintain exact dimensions as required, and also more or less finished the second half as well. So exactly the same method as the other side, but just a lot easier this time because I knew where all the spot welds were. So it was a lot easier to remove the old section. I still ended up having to cut the section in two to manoeuvre the sections out individually. It just seems to make it easier rather than forcing something and a bit out of focus. Rather than forcing something and damaging the seat base more than is necessary. You will damage it slightly anyway. I did drill out the spot welds. So one extra piece of work on this side. So the panhard rod bracket sits here, and mine was in alright shape. So I thought I'd be okay without ordering a new one, but it was impossible to remove it without damaging it. So I've ended up having to order another one from Jag Spares, which is due for tomorrow. So this part needs to be finished off still tomorrow. I'll wait while I get the panhard rod bracket before I complete this section. It's a shame because there was nothing wrong with the old one, and it's another £87 on top of all the costs to get the part in. Again, checked all the dimensions before welding in place. I'm really happy with the dimensions. I'm accurate within probably about 1mm on all the dimensions that I took prior to removing. So more or less done now. I just need to, as I say, wait for that panhard rod bracket. Finishing everything up, bit of seam sealer just to tidy up some of the edges, and then under seal. Job finished.